Okay, so this is a story about how I booked a last minute trip to Washington, D.C. using credit card points. So, Rishabh's parents are visiting us from India, and we wanted to take them to Washington, D.C. And thanks to credit card points, I was able to plan this last minute. So, in this video today, we'll be talking about how I booked this trip, what were the kind of credit card benefits that I was able to take advantage of, and what helped me really feel special on this day because I had the right credit card. I'll also be giving you a little hotel and room tour of this interesting hotel that we stayed at in Washington, D.C. Okay, make sure you watch until the end if you really want to know about the credit card benefits and how exactly I booked this hotel. But I've also dropped timestamps and chapters in the description below if you want to check that out. So here's what the hotel and room look like. I love free Evian water, always. And we also got some chocolates and candy. And this has this Washington DC monuments here up top. It's a cute touch. And we have it in both rooms. I was also able to get welcome drinks. So I got Diet Coke. And we also got waters from the front desk. And we got this Evian water here in the room. So I think so far it's been a very nice experience. Look at Mr. George Washington. Okay, we are just about to witness a very cool bathroom. Let's see it. Look at that. I think I'll look good in this. Anybody would look good in this. Something else that I don't typically see in a hotel room is usually available in the lobby is the school umbrella. Looks nice and long and sturdy. I wish I could take it home. Okay, wait, there is one more thing that is very interesting that you don't typically find in a hotel room. Check this out. There is a yoga mat here. So feel free to do your yoga in the mornings, and there is plenty of room in this hotel, so you can definitely make use of this. And here we can see the mini bar. I have kept my Diet Coke cans in the mini bar. So they actually do not stock their mini bar. They said on the TV that if you're craving something, let the front desk know and they'll supply that to you. And then there is ice box, an empty tray. What is this for? And then a safe. I actually never use a safe in a hotel. Not sure if you do. If you do, let me know. Do you find it safe? So we gave our car to the valet parking when we first arrived to park out front. The valet parking is not free. It's $65 per night plus tax. So this is something that I will be paying out of pocket. But other than that, like you just heard, my stay was free. So we're just getting settled in. We will first grab lunch and then head over to see the White House and the Washington Monument first. And then we'll kind of play it by ear. But I'll be back and I'll be showing you what else goes on in the hotel in the evening. That is it for day one. We're kind of wrapping up the evening before we head to dinner. We're going to get some rest at the hotel. So I'm going to spend some time having my complimentary Diet Coke. I'll see you tomorrow morning and I'll show you some perks that we're going to get with our platinum status tomorrow morning. So the Kimpton Monaco, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, hotel in DC is a part of the IHG hotels. I was only here for the weekend, so I wanted to book one night, but I wanted to book 2 rooms because we were 4 adults. So a little story time now. Back in 2023, IHG was running this special sign-up bonus offer of 180,000 points on its IHG Premier card. This is a Chase credit card, by the way. And at that point, my player 2 Rishabh was only at 224. By the way, if you don't know what 224, 524 and these things mean, I have a video. I will be linking it up here and in the description below, so do check it out. So okay, I made Rishabh get this card last year. This credit card does have a $99 annual fee, but it's not so bad because it comes with a great benefit of 1 free night every year. This free night can be used for stays up to 40,000 points. So that is kind of what my starting point was when I booked this stay. I wanted to make sure that I'm around 40,000 points when I'm booking these 2 hotels and not go much over it so I don't have to use a lot of my points balance. Another great thing about these IHG free nights is that you can use your points balance to top off the 40,000 points if your hotel is not fitting in that 40,000 point range. And that's exactly what I did. So when I was looking to book my stay last minute, I could not find anything just under 40,000 or at 40,000 points. But I was able to find this Kimpton Monaco hotel in DC for about 42,000 points. So what I did eventually was to top off that one free night with 2,000 points from my point balance and use 42,000 from the rest of my points balance towards the next room. And like you saw on the room tour, this actually comes with elite status benefits, which I was really able to enjoy on this hotel stay. Had I booked this hotel using cash, I would have had to pay, I think, $250 per night, plus taxes and fees. So I was not really looking forward to that. So with this credit card, my player 2 was able to get Platinum Elite status with IHG, which actually entitled us to all those great benefits that you checked out in the room tour. By the way, if you missed that, do check out the timestamps in the description and you can jump straight to that point. So, in the end, I'll leave you with this. For a $99 fee card, I was able to get a room that was close to $300. So, if you just do the math, you can see how much value I got from that $99 card. That is why credit card points rock. And that brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video or if you found it helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button and the like button. I'll see you in the next video.